Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tinku's Experiment. In this video, I'm going to show how to create a HTML document. You all might be wondering what is a HTML. HTML is the most widely used language to design web contents for the internet. You can use different types of programs like Notepad, text editor or WordPad. I prefer to use Notepad. So to open Notepad, all you need to do is go to desktop and press window button and R. Then type notepad. Then click on OK. After the notepad appears on screen, maximize the screen and type as given instructions or displayed on screen. Type the slashes and apostrophes wherever needed. You can also use caps lock button to type the language or without caps lock also. So after typing the language, save the language as text.html. For example, project number 1.html or project number 2.html, and save the file in desktop. So you can open the file with any of the browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Opera browser. See, have you seen as it displays everything? So let's us try one amazing thing. In the place of begin, let's remove one of the letter and save it. Now go to Google Chrome. See, now alphabet N has been removed because it has been removed in the notepad. That's the reason. Now again we are going to type N and save the file. Now open Google Chrome. As you see, again N has displayed. If please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest videos. I will be also uploading about the animations. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and even like